Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. I'm Almas with student number a1b221002. Today, I would like to present my proposal. The title is An Analysis of Figurative Language in the novel The Summer I Turned Pretty by Jenny Han with Semantic Approach. The first point is about introduction, and this is the research background. The study delves into the role of figurative language in literature, which enriches texts by imbuing them with layers of meaning beyond literal expressions. It examines semantics, focusing on how language constructs and conveys meaning, enhancing our understanding of cognitive process in linguistic communication. The study will analyze the use of figurative language in Jenny Han's novel, The Summer I Turned Pretty, to investigate and classify the different types of figurative language found in the novel The Summer I Turned Pretty and to explain the contextual meanings behind these figurative expressions. Next, about research question. In this research, some problems are going to be analyzed. The first is what types of figurative language can be found in the novel The Summer I Turned Pretty by Jenny Han. And the second is what is the contextual meaning of the figurative language used in the novel The Summer I Turned Pretty by Jenny Han. And then for the research objective, the objective of this research as follows. The first is to investigate and classify the figurative language found in the novel The Summer I Turned Pretty by Jenny Han, and then to explain the contextual meaning behind figurative language that found in the novel The Summer I Turned Pretty by Jenny Han. The next is about significance of the research. This research is expected to provide various benefits that will be useful for others. These benefits include, first, in theoretically, this research is expected to advancement in literature to help common readers better understand and appreciate the use of figurative language in novels. And then in practically, this research is expected to provide English lecturers with teaching reference on figurative language and highlights its practical application in daily language. And then for the literature review, the first we are going to talk about figurative language. Figurative language, encompassing metaphors and similes, enhances literary and everyday communication by evoking emotions and enriching descriptive clarity, thereby deepening understanding and engagement with language. It transforms literal meanings into vivid expressions that resonate with readers and listeners alike, bridging the gap between everyday conversation and poetic expression. And then this is the types of figurative language. According to Leach states 7 types of figurative language. The first is irony, and then hyperbole, metaphor, metonymy, lithos, simile, and personification. After that, we are going to talk about semantics and contextual meaning. Semantics, rooted in the meanings of words and their combination within phrases and sentences, plays a pivotal role in contemporary linguistics, derived from the Greek verb semaino, meaning to signify. It is essential for effective communication and understanding human cognition, providing a framework for interpreting language and ensuring message clarity. And then for contextual meaning influenced by the interaction between speech and its environment defines the intended purpose of words within their specific context. It reflects how different word arrangement can alter interpretations, emphasizing the importance of context in verifying nuance and original meanings. And contextual meaning transcends mere dictionary definitions, shaping interpretations based on situational clues, and contributing to language's expressive and developmental aspects. Next, we are going to talk about research methodology. The first, we are going to talk about research design. This study uses a descriptive qualitative methodology. Data collection is carried out through the documentation technique, identifying figurative language in the novel, and data analysis involves categorizing figurative language using list typology and interpreting it with Pateda's theory. For the source of the data, the study used primary data from Jenny Han's novel, The Summer I Turned Pretty, 2009, and secondary data from books, online sources, and research. Next, for data collection strategy, the method of data collection used in this research is documentation techniques to analyze the novel. And for the research instrument, like I said previously, the instrument was the novel The Summer I Turned Pretty by Jenny Han. And the steps included reading the novel, identifying figurative language, and understanding their contextual meaning. And last, data analysis. This study focuses on analyzing figurative language in the Summer at Pretty novel using theoretical frameworks for interpretation. The first step is preparing the source data and then identifying figurative language instances in the Summer at Pretty and categorizing them according to Leach's theory and including irony, hyperbole, metaphor, metonymy, simile, thoughts, and personification. After that, analyzing the contextual meaning of the figurative language using Pateda's theory to interpret the data, and the last is drawing the conclusion. I think that's all from me. Thanks for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.